Hello, hello, dear students. So, how are you all? I hope doing well. Yeah, in this week I couldn't take your one online class, but I will be sending a videos today. Please go through it and take care. In the previous class, I have given you a puzzle while teaching playing with numbers. So the puzzle was use 8 for 8 times and make it 1000, right? Only one student has sent me the answer, and he commented on the YouTube video, my YouTube video. So the solution here is using 8 for the 8 times. 8 plus 8 how much? 16, right? Plus 8 24, plus 8 32, plus 8 40, 0 carry 4. So I will be using the another 2 8s here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8s has been used. So these 2 8s, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0 carry 2. So the 8th 8, the carry 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. This is the 1000. So look at here, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 8 40, 0 carry 4, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0 carry 2, 2 plus 8 10, that is 1000. Interesting, right? Yeah. Now we will understand the next topic from your textbook, that is letters for digits. Letters for digits. Okay. So what is letters for digits? For example, first I will take 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, right? If a is equals to 1, the value of a is equals to 1. If you know this, and if I write like a plus a is equals to 2, what you will tell me the answer? So if I ask you what is the value of a, how you will be writing this? Sir, the value of a is equals to 1. So it will be 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, isn't it? So now if I write like a plus b is equals to 3, so you people already know the value of a, that is 1. So what could be the possible value of b? What could be the possible value of b to become it 3? So 1 plus 2. So you can tell that the value of b is 2, isn't it? So if I take like here 2 plus some d is equals to 8. So what you will tell me, what is the value of d now? What could be the possible value of d now? Exactly, it is 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. So, the value of D is equals to 6. So, this is how we will be using the letters for the digits. Understanding? Yes, this is how we will be using the letters for the digits. So, let us try to make it little bit complex. For example, I have A 2 plus A 2 plus B, and the value is 1 and the value is 1, and here it is 5. Can you tell me what could be the value of B and A? Can you try to find the value of B and A? Look at here, dear students, the symbol here is for addition, right? So, to make it 51, what should be added to B to make it 1? If you add 2 plus 1, it is 3, right? 2 plus 4, it is 6, 2 plus 5, it is 7. So, if I keep on trying, I will see that 2 plus 7 is also is equals to 9, right? 2 plus 8 is 10. Even though it is 10, I will get 0 here and it will be carry 1. So, it is not even 8 also. So, if I try to add 2 plus 9, if I take the value of B as 9, it will be 11. So, it is 1 and carry 1 here. So, carry 1 plus A is equals to 5. Carry 1 plus A is equals to 5. What is the value of A then? Yes, it is 4. Let us check how it is. 2, 9, A. So, first I am taking the value of B as 9. 2 plus 9 is 11, carry 1. Okay. So, in the next step, so it is what could be the possible value of A to get 5? That is 4, 2 plus 9, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 1, it is 5. So, therefore, what is the value of A and B? A is equals to 4, comma B is equals to 9. This is how we will be doing. Okay. So, after solving this, let us go for exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. The question is, find the values of letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. So, the first question for the first main, the first question here is A plus 25, and the result given here is B2. So, we know that anything added with 5 cannot give you 2. So, there must be a 2-digit number adding, we are getting a result as a 2-digit number after adding a and 5. So, what could be the number? Yes, if a is equals to 7, if a is equals to 7, we will be having 337 and 25 will result in B2, isn't it? This is the result what we have. So, now 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. So, already we have a 2 here given in the question and it will be carry 1. So, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. So, the value of B is equals to 6. See here, a plus 5 is equals to 2, it is given to us, right. So, it couldn't be like that, it will be 7 plus 5 is equals to 12, where the 1 is taken as carry to the next. So, we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to B, therefore, B is equals to 6. So, in the next step you will be writing 3a plus 25 2b is equals to 37 plus 25 is equals to 2 and it is 62. Next, second question. For a plus 98 gives you C B 3. So, tell me dear students, to get 3 in the result, what should be the value of a? For 8 plus a must be 13, right, because here it is 3. What is added to 5 to make it 13? 5, right, 9, 8. So, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 carry 1, then carry plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. So, therefore, the value of a is equals to 5, the value of b is equals to 4 and the value of c is equals to 1. Got it? This is the way we will be solving. So, next, multiplication. Multiplication. So, third question belongs to the multiplication here. Okay. 1 a into a will give you 9 a, 90 a. So, a and a means there should be same digits multiplying each other. If the value of a is equals to 1, 1 ones are 1, then it is 1. So, here is that possible to get 9a? No. 2 2s are 4, we are not getting the same digit. 3 3s are 9, we are not ending with same digit. Okay. Five fives are 25. Look at here. If a is equals to 5, then 1 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 ones are 5. 6 7. 5 ones are 5 plus these 2 6 7. No, this is also not the answer. So, what could be the value of a? Right? That is, we have to think here. So, now if the value of a is equals to 6, so then the question becomes 1 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 carry 3, 6 ones are 6 plus 3 7 8 9. Yes. So, therefore, the value of a is equals to 6. So, first we have to do these things with the trial and error method. So, once you get practice, you can substitute the direct values. Okay. So, now the fourth question. A b plus 3 7 gives you 6 a. So, now there should be a and there should be same number to be added to get 6 here, isn't it? And this number must be same. Already we have 6 here, we have 3 here, right? 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So, the possible value of a could be 3 or even it could be 2, because we will be getting a carry over there, right? So, let us check. If b is equals to 4, what can happen? A, I am taking the value of b as 4, right, plus 37. So, 7 plus 4, I have an answer 6 here already. 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. If I take it carry as 1 here, so 3 plus 1 3, this is carry 1 4, to become 6 it is how much? It can be 2. So, this a and this a is not same. So, the value of b could not be 4. Now, let us try. If the value of b is equals to 5, a plus sorry, that is A5 plus 37. So 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 carry 1, the answer is already 6 here. So 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, what could be the value of A? 2, right? So both the A's are same now. So therefore 25 plus 37 is 5 plus 7 is 12, carry 1, 3, this is 6 already. 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Therefore B is equals to 5 and A is equals to 2. Okay, this is we have to try in the starting with the trial and methods. As slowly you become which number, adding which number will you get the result, you will become more perfect in that. Now the fifth question, A B into 3, we are getting now the result is CAB. Now look at here students, 3 is multiplied with B and in the result we have B. What could be the possible value of B? B can be 1 because 3 into B, 3 ones are 3, or B can be 5 because 3 5s are 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So the unit digit is 15, right? Any other possibilities? 3 6s are 18, no it is not ending with 6. 3 7s are 21, no not ending with 7. 8 3s are 24, no. 9 3 9s are 27, no. So B can be only 1 or 5. So now if I take the B is equals to 1, so it is not possible that I can get the 3 digit number. So the possibility is the B can be 5. So in the next step I will take this as B is equals to 5. A 5 into 3. So 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1 and I have here CA. Okay. So in the next step I am multiplying 3 with some value that I should get 1 here. Okay. So what is that? 3 into A, here I have got a carry from the previous multiplication, so that is plus 1 must have ending with A. So what could be the possible value of A? So 3 ones are 3. If I take A is equals to 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, no, not ending with that. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, no. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, no, not ending with the same digit. right? 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, not ending with that a value, right? 3 4s are 12 plus 1, no. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, no. 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19, no. 3 7s are 21, no. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 21, no. So what could be the possible value? So we have taken the 5 in the earlier. Now let us check with 1 if you are not getting that results. So next, a b into 3, that is c a b. Now we will take the value of b is equals to 1 this time. B is equals to 1. So a 1 into 3. So now we will take 3 ones, the value should be 3 c a and b. 3 ones are 3 I took. Okay. So now I should get 2 digit numbers when I multiplied with a and ending with the same digit. So in the next, what could be the possible values of a to get the 2 digit, and the second digit must be a itself. If I take 0, no, 2 digit numbers cannot be there. So if I take, it should end with the same a digit here. What could be the possible value with some c, right? So 3 ones are 3, no 2 digit numbers are not coming. 3 2s are 6, no. 3 5s are 15. If it is 5 and it is 3, 3 5s are 15. Yes, we are getting the value of a as 5 and c is 1. So we can write next, that is the value of a is equals to 5. So 51 into 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, c is equals to a is c is equals to 1, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3. Okay. There are remaining addition, one multiplication. So there are total 10 questions in this exercise. Remaining 5 questions try on your own, and in the next video I will be solving those 5 questions. You try, after watching this video, please try those 5 questions on your own. Try and send it to me by 3 o'clock today. If you are not able to get it, I will send the video again of those questions. Okay, dear students, got it? Try on your own, don't forget to try. First watch this video, try to analyze. If you are not getting what I am saying, let me know. I will try to explain in a different ways that you can understand the concept very well. Even though you watch the video, if you are not understanding, go back and try to watch that problem again. Even though you are not getting, contact me, try, then write in your notes. Okay. After solving these 5 questions, try to solve it from your textbook, remaining 5 questions. Okay, thank you.